Think deleting a photo erases it forever? Nope. That's just what it looks like. When you hit delete, your phone just labels the file space as free. The photo? Still sitting there. Invisible, but not gone. It's like hiding a book under your bed and saying you lost it. Until that space gets overwritten by new data, the file is recoverable by anyone with the right tools. Yeah, even if it's years later. Creepy, right? And what about cloud backups? Deleting from your gallery doesn't touch the copies stored in Google Photos or iCloud. So unless you delete it there too, it lives on. Like a digital zombie. Even a factory reset isn't bulletproof. Without encryption, deleted data can still be recovered. Wiping doesn't mean it's wiped. It just hides the mess better. So how do you truly delete something? Encrypt your phone. Use secure delete tools. Clean your cloud backups. Because in the digital world, deleting a photo isn't the end. It's just the beginning of its afterlife.